Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will study about how to access node using various methods. So there are three ways to access node values. First is the get element by ID, second is the get element by tag name, and third one is using the tree node relationships. So in this tutorial we will see get element by ID method. So let's first create HTML document in which we are directly creating body tag, which is now body node, and we are creating paragraph tag. When we want to access any element, we must have to give ID or name, and giving ID to DOM. Now we want to write some text in the paragraph element. I am writing introduction to DOM and closing paragraph tag. Now to access this body element, we must use JavaScript or any programming language interface. We are here using JavaScript. So to use JavaScript, we must have to write JavaScript in script tag, and we have to specify type is equal to text slash JavaScript, and we must have to close that script tag. Now we can write any JavaScript in between script tag. So I want to access the p elements text value. So to access this text value, we are just taking one variable which is x. To access any element, we have to use first document object. So I am writing document dot get element by id. This method is used to access the element or any node using id. So I am passing id of element. So I have written document dot get element by id DOM. Now the element will be stored in this x variable. Now I want to access the text value of this element. So inner HTML property is used. So I want to print value of paragraph. I am writing document dot write method. The document dot write method is used to print anything on web browser or page. First I want to print some string. This is the value of paragraph. So I want to print the value of x which contains paragraph, and I want to print, so inner HTML property is used. So this will access the value of paragraph. Now complete body tag and complete HTML tag. Save anywhere you want to save. I want to save it in my study folder HTML DOM. Now let's run this page and see what happens. We can see introduction to DOM is printed, which is the value of paragraph. Thank you.